everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, the channel dedicated to making your outdoor space a masterpiece. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you've ever looked at a beautifully manicured garden and wondered how they get those crisp, clean lines, the answer is simple: garden edging. It's the unsung hero of landscape design, and today we're diving into its secrets. We've got the top 10 edging ideas, the must-know benefits, and the best plants to complete the look. Let's jump right in. What the meaning of garden edging border? The garden edging border, in its simplest form, is a physical barrier that separates two different areas of your landscape, most commonly the lawn from a garden bed, pathway, or planter. It can be a functional, barely noticeable line of plastic, or a dramatic decorative element made of stacked stone or wood. Its primary function is to create a clean, intentional boundary, giving your garden beds a polished, finished look, while also performing crucial practical tasks for maintaining your yard. What the benefit of having garden edging border? The benefits of installing a proper garden edging border are both aesthetic and practical. Aesthetically, it instantly elevates your landscape by providing a distinct contrast and structure, making your garden beds look intentional and well-maintained. It's like framing a beautiful piece of art. Practically, edging acts as a crucial barrier. It keeps your lawn grass from creeping into your flower beds, reducing the time you spend weeding. It also helps contain mulch, gravel, or soil within the bed, preventing erosion and keeping your pathways and lawn tidier, which is particularly helpful on sloped landscapes or after heavy rain. Finally, it provides a functional guide for your lawnmower, allowing you to mow right up to the edge without damaging your plants, resulting in a cleaner cut and reducing the need for extensive trimming. How do I decorate my garden edging border to look beautiful? Decorating your garden edging border to look truly beautiful involves more than just the material you choose. It's about integration and accentuation. Use the edging material to complement your home's existing style. For a rustic look, use weathered wood or natural fieldstone. For a modern design, opt for crisp concrete blocks or clean metal edging. The line itself can be a major design element. Opt for gentle, sweeping curves to create a natural, soft feel, or choose straight lines and sharp corners for a formal, contemporary look. Add low-voltage lighting, like the lantern shown in our first idea, along the edge to highlight the border and the plants inside, extending your garden's beauty into the evening. Finally, ensure the height of your edging is appropriate. Raised beds look dramatic, while flush edging is great for seamless transitions. What the best plants for garden edging border? The best plants for a garden edging border are those that are low-growing, compact, and offer a long season of interest without spreading aggressively. Boxwood shrubs are a classic choice for a formal manicured look, as they can be tightly sheared to maintain a perfect green line. For a soft, colorful edge, try low-growing flowering perennials like creeping phlox, alyssum, or hardy geraniums, which spill gently over the edge, softening the hard lines of your materials. For a textural contrast, consider non-flowering options like lamb's ear with its silvery, fuzzy foliage, or various types of sedum that provide year-round structure. The key is to choose plants that won't overwhelm the edging material, but will rather frame and highlight the beauty of the entire garden bed. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best garden edging border ideas to inspire and spark your imagination to bring most impactful garden edging ideas you can implement this weekend. One stacked concrete block retaining wall edging. Elegant two-tiered block retaining edging. This gorgeous example uses interlocking textured concrete blocks to create a substantial, curved, two-tier raised garden bed. The height creates a dramatic visual barrier between the lawn and the diverse plantings, providing excellent drainage and soil containment. The gray variegated color of the blocks offers a beautiful neutral backdrop that makes the surrounding greenery and pink flowers truly pop. 2 modern long wooden raised planter. Clean and simple longwood planter box edging. For a sleek, modern look, this long, narrow raised planter box uses simple, light-colored wooden planks. It provides a clean, straight line that perfectly defines the border along the wooden fence. This design is ideal for cultivating small trees and linear plantings, ensuring the dark soil and plants are neatly contained, creating a very polished and contemporary feel in a narrow space. 3. Natural river rock and cobblestone edging. Charming river rock and cobblestone edging. This rustic and natural border uses various sizes and colors of rounded river rocks, stacked loosely to form a low wall separating the garden bed from a gravel path. The rounded stones provide a soft texture that contrasts beautifully with the spiky ornamental grass and yellow ground cover flowers. This is a budget-friendly option that blends seamlessly into a cottage or naturalistic garden style. 4. Tiered natural stack stone edging. Low stacked natural stone planter edging. This curved border utilizes flat, multicolored natural stones, stacked haphazardly but securely to create a low, dry stack wall around a front yard tree and shrub bed. The low profile is perfect for an area that doesn't need high soil retention, while the earthy tones of the stone complement the brick of the house and the green lawn, creating an inviting traditional feel. 5. Poured concrete brick pattern edging. Decorative and durable poured concrete curb edging. A professional, permanent solution. This continuous poured concrete border features a textured, segmented brick pattern and a reddish hue. This type of edging is highly effective at stopping grass runners and provides the lowest maintenance boundary possible. Its smooth, sweeping curve elegantly guides the eye along the garden bed and the mix of shrubs and river rock mulch. 6. Flexible corrugated plastic edging. Simple flexible corrugated plastic edging with hedges. This functional and affordable border uses a simple, vertical corrugated plastic or rubber strip. Its dark color provides a minimal yet effective division between the finely cut lawn and the vibrant flower bed. It is excellent for following tight curves and provides a sufficient barrier for mulch retention without distracting from the beautiful manicured hedge and colorful perennial flowers. 7. Vertical wood blocks and slat fence edging. Modern vertical wooden block garden edging. A creative and modern design, this edge uses short, uniform wooden blocks placed vertically and secured to form a low square-cut border. It works well with the horizontal slat fence and wood-slice stepping stones within the bed. The chunky dark wood provides a strong contemporary line separating the planting area from the surrounding pebble mulch. 8. Large fieldstone boulder retaining edging. Dramatic large boulder and fieldstone edging. This impressive, substantial edging uses large, rustic boulders and fieldstones to create a significant retaining wall for a large, sloping flower and shrub bed. The size of the stones adds a natural, rugged character that complements the abundance of colorful, diverse plantings, effectively defining the landscape and managing the grade changes. 9. Sleek concrete curbing with uplighting. Contemporary vertical concrete curb edging with lighting. Ideal for a modern yard, this edging uses tall, slim, smooth concrete blocks placed vertically, forming a clean, rigid, dark border. It offers a sophisticated, minimalist look that is visually stunning, especially when accented with integrated low-voltage lighting fixtures that highlight the unique textures of the surrounding evergreen shrubs and yellow ground cover. 10. Creative recycled hubcap edging. Upcycled DIY garden edging with chrome hubcaps. For a truly unique and budget-friendly approach, this border creatively repurposes old car hubcaps, partially buried and lined up along the garden bed. This provides a whimsical, metallic, and reflective edge that offers a bold, informal contrast to the lush, wild ferns and green lawn, a fantastic option for a quirky or sustainable garden. As you can see, garden edging is so much more than just a barrier. It's a crucial design element that brings structure, cleanliness, and real curb appeal to your entire landscape. Whether you choose the rustic charm of river rocks, the DIY fun of hubcaps, or the structured elegance of concrete blocks, the key is to choose a material that complements your home and your garden style. A little bit of edging goes a long way in making your garden look professionally maintained. Which of these 10 ideas is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more tips on making your yard the envy of the neighborhood. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video on the best plants for shady gardens. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!